Hey guys, I'm coming here today to tell you about our pre-assembled kits. This is a great option to cut down on the installation time, as the tubing is already assembled for you based on the plate count of the battery. So we have a couple different sizes when it comes to pre-assembled kits, all based on the plate count of the battery. So when you're looking at the battery model number, you're going to be looking at the plate count to decipher which length in between the valves that you need. This is great because you don't have to install the swivel tees in the tubing yourself. This is something that you can just install all of the valves inside the battery and just pop the tubing right onto the top of the battery. When you are ordering these kits, you are looking for 1CA, 1CB, or 1CC. Those are going to be our part number schematics to help get you the pre-assembled tubing. This is a great option for those who are doing a factory install and have a lot of kits to install in a short amount of time. This is going to increase your efficiency and speed when it comes to installing watering systems on lead-acid batteries.